8456. The purpose of directing bleed air to the outer turbine case on some engines is to A. Provide optimum turbine blade tip clearance by controlling thermal expansion. B. Provide up to 100% kinetic energy extraction from the flowing gases. C. Allow operation in a thermal environment 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit above the temperature limits of turbine blade and vane alloys. The correct answer is A. Directing bleed air to the outer turbine case on some engines serves the purpose of providing optimum turbine blade tip clearance by controlling thermal expansion. The bleed air is used to cool the outer case, which helps manage the expansion of the turbine blades and maintain the desired tip clearance for efficient and safe engine operation. 8457. Some larger reciprocating engines use a compensating oil pressure relief valve to A. Provide a high engine oil pressure when the oil is cold and automatically lower the oil pressure when the oil warms up. B. Compensate for changes in atmospheric pressure that accompany altitude changes. C. Automatically keep oil pressure nearly the same whether the oil is warm or cold. The correct answer is A. Larger reciprocating engines use a compensating oil pressure relief valve to provide high engine oil pressure when the oil is cold and automatically lower the oil pressure when the oil warms up. This compensates for the changes in oil viscosity due to temperature variations and ensures that the engine receives sufficient oil pressure for lubrication under different operating conditions. 8458. In order to relieve excessive pump pressure in an engine's internal oil system, most engines are equipped with A. Vent. B. Bypass valve. C. Relief valve. The correct answer is C. In order to relieve excessive pump pressure in an engine's internal oil system, most engines are equipped with a relief valve. The relief valve is designed to open when the pressure exceeds a certain threshold, allowing the excess oil to bypass the pump and return to the oil tank. This prevents damage to the system caused by excessive pressure. 8459. What is the source of most of the heat that is absorbed by the lubricating oil in a reciprocating engine? A. Crankshaft main bearings. B. Exhaust valves. C. Pistons and cylinder walls. The correct answer is C. The primary source of heat absorbed by the lubricating oil in a reciprocating engine is the pistons and cylinder walls. As the pistons move within the cylinders, friction generates heat, which is transferred to the cylinder walls. The lubricating oil absorbs this heat, helping to cool the pistons and cylinder walls and prevent overheating. 8460. How are the teeth of the gears in the accessory section of an engine normally lubricated? A. By splashed or sprayed oil. B. By submerging the load-bearing portions in oil. C. By surrounding the load-bearing portions with baffles or housings within which oil pressure can be maintained. The correct answer is A. The teeth of the gears in the accessory section of an engine are normally lubricated by splashed or sprayed oil. As the gears rotate, they pick up oil from the oil sump and distribute it through a splash or spray system, ensuring that the gear teeth are adequately lubricated for smooth operation.